Hiya, welcome back to my channel. Many thanks for stopping by. I'm going to stuff my envelopes for week 5 of February, and I have my savings challenges here that I'm really looking forward to doing. I need to get my pens. Let me just grab my pens and put that there, and we'll get on with it. Yesterday I couldn't do my savings challenges because I had a few things to do, but it's Saturday today and I just want to get it out of the way. I have £140 here, 20, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 10, 20, 30, 35, 40. And so let's get a start. I'd like to say thank you so much to all my subscribers who have subscribed to my channel, and many thanks for my returning subscribers as well. I really appreciate you, and I'm glad you came back to watch my videos. Alright, grab a book. Now let me see what I want to put in here now. Each book is £2, so I'm going to put in £20 today. So that's 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, and I will do them in, let's have a look, let's do some in here. I'll mark it off. So that's 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. So I'll just colour those in at a later date when I'm sitting down and having a peaceful half an hour with a cup of tea. I will get those coloured in. And let me just put this into its wallet. Let's have a look what we've got here. There we go, that one is done, and then I will just get on with the rest here. I've got the autumn leaves challenge, and each leaf is £10, so I will put £10 in for now, just in case I may not have enough for the rest of the challenges. Let me just put £10 in this one, and let's quickly get out some colouring pencils. Now, what colour is it that I want to use? I'd really like to finish these soon, so I'm just going to mark that like that, so I know that's £10. And then the £80 puzzle pieces, that's £20. Each puzzle is £2. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. And I am going to put 20 in. So I'll just mark them so I know to colour them. Great. And £20 goes into here. My battery's going. I need to change it. I'll do that now. Lovely. I've changed the battery. Right, I've got the £100 rainy day fund, and these are the Wellington boots. And let's have a look. Now, each individual boot is £5 and a pair is 10. So I will do 10, and let's do brown. So I'll just mark that off so I know that I've done the pair, and colour that in. And these 3 savings challenges are from One Frugal Introvert, Jerry. I will link her channel below. She also has an Etsy shop. And my favourites are the fruit and veg. Now let's see what we're going to put into the fruit and veg today. Okay, so we've got favourite fruits. I will put £5 for the grapes. Let's do a green. Let's do the green, so I know that I'm to colour these in. There, we've got £5 for that. And for the veggies, I'll do a yellow for the sweet peppers. So I'll just do that quickly so I know that I've got to finish that, and that is £5 as well. Now on completion, each one is £75. Oh, the veggies is 75 and the fruits is 60. I'm looking forward to finishing that. And these are from Frugality's Life. God, my brain. And also the Grab a Book. That's from Frugality is Life. Now, my save 2024 in 2024. Let's have a look. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. I am going to complete the wellies because I'm really looking forward to moving on to the next one, which will be the raindrops, and they're all different denominations, which totals up to £300. So that's not bad. So let me just get a colour for, let's do orange. Lovely, completed. I'll just mark that as completed because my head is just all over the place sometimes. Okay, completed. And what's the date today? Is the 2nd of the 3rd, 24. Great. So that one's done. All done. And let's should we do a strawberry? Done the bag of books. How much have we got left? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Let's put 50 in save, 24 in 24, and let's do an autumn leaf. Yeah, why not? And that was a different orange, wasn't it? Let's use this one. Let's just, there we go. I'll put it in, didn't I? Here. Great. So that's looking really good. And let me just get this colour out for Save 24 in 24. Working hard on this one. I really am. Let's put the last amount, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Right, let's get 50. 50. 50 is the highest denomination, so I think I'll work on the 50s until they're finished. Let's see how many 50s is left. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 more 50s, and great news. So that's that. And this is from Madeline Budgets. I'll put everyone's links below in the description. And that is that for another week. Saving challenges all done. And very low income, very low budgeting. Once all my bills are paid and whatever I have left over, providing I don't need anything per se, it all goes into savings challenges. If you did like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell to be notified when I upload new videos. Take care of your good selves, and I will see you back soon. Bye for now.